a 5,000 keyboard versus a 500 pesos keyboard. Now, what are the difference, and should you consider buying the more expensive one or just stick to the 500 pesos? Now, this is a no-brainer. The expensive one obviously way better than the cheaper one. But the question still stands. Is it worth it or should you buy it? Well, the obvious answer is that depends. Well, if you're really that into mechanical keyboards and wanted to have that premium experience, of course, it is obvious. You should go for the more expensive ones. I'm not speaking specifically this Darmo Shark keyboard. There's a lot of keyboards around 1,500 to 3,000 to 4,000 pesos. But if you're looking for just a keyboard, which, a keyboard that you can type stuff, game, I might say go for this one. And yes, I am promoting this exact keyboard right here. This is not a mechanical keyboard. This one is a membrane keyboard, which is aesthetically designed to look like a mechanical keyboard. I've been saying this because way back I've been looking for a keyboard which is not that expensive but looks expensive for aesthetic reasons, of course. And this keyboard right here fits that description. This keyboard is made out of plastic. It feels light and not very premium, to be honest. But does that mean that this keyboard is a cheap-ass keyboard? No, it's not. This is a well-built, good quality keyboard. So if you're on a budget, why don't you take a step back and you might want to consider this keyboard right here.